Yo GM and welcome guys. Quick update from my side here today for the market, giving you the latest updates and info so you will be trading better across these rough waters, okay? So now Bitcoin, crypto and massive news are here for us. Last episode I spoke about is the bear market here or are we still in the bull market? So you probably know by now what's the result and how I am positioning myself for the future couple of months. Today and yesterday we are getting some bullish green price action as you see on the board, mostly green, mostly positive. Yesterday, big news, Trump pardoned Changpeng Zhao, which is the ex-Binance CEO who has been widely acting as a KOL, pushing Aster as the main Perpdex, the competitor to Hyperliquid, and it resulted in big pumps across the BNB ecosystem. The meme 4, which I mentioned before, has experienced a good pump to the middle of the range. Aster as well has been getting some attention, so if CZ now is immune to FUD, possibly Aster will get a new life, so keep an eye on that one. Now today let's look at some charts again, about charts which are supporting our thesis against Bitcoin. So are we getting bearish or are we getting bullish? First one, gold. Here we have the beautiful chart, Bitcoin and gold. Usually this means that once we get the pump here in gold, Bitcoin pumps shortly after, so-called rotation into gold. A very good chart as well, money supply, M2 money supply. You probably saw this one before compared to Bitcoin. So on the red we have M2 money supply, and in the blue we have Bitcoin. As you see, M2 has experienced a massive growth here lately, while Bitcoin a slight growth. So there's still some catching up to do, and notably, once there's more money in the ecosystem, in the system, people want to rotate the funds into hard assets. Bitcoin is the new gold. Don't be mistaken, because the world is going digital. Gold will not be used by AI. Cryptocurrency, higher probability. Look in the future where you see gold, people probably in the ground there is a lot more gold to be discovered, while Bitcoin is programmable money and there is a limited supply and never will be more of this. So if the world decides that Bitcoin will be the new gold, then it will be. Currently, I see it as a battle between China and US. US is trying to make Bitcoin their main asset to denominate the dollar, while China is betting on gold. I'm pretty sure that China itself has been accumulating Bitcoin, but they won't give this news because it will pump the price, and they know that US is trying to be the main leader in the space of crypto, so they will not give them extra benefits. So there's a good tweet here also showing the correlation between gold and Bitcoin as well. The gold has most likely topped, we don't know yet, but there's a high probability that it's showing a top right here, with Bitcoin still to catch up. And this would mean not a direct rotation, but it means the gold prices, people would rotate into other assets. And as I said, digital gold, so on. I feel that now more than ever, investors are aware of Bitcoin and are treating it more seriously. Thus, it has a higher probability of actually becoming the digital gold than it had 4 years ago, where people consider it still to be a super risky asset. Okay, and latest news from the platforms which I use, Padre. I have been sharing you guys Padre, as I believe it's one of the best tools here for terminals comparing to any others. Uh, it's the best for desktop, but it works really good for mobile as well. Okay, so as you see, you have this text-like interface, you have beautiful charts, you also have notification about where it has been mentioned from a very wide range of alpha premium groups, And you can easily track the wallets, which give you also notification and information which wallets bought at what prices. So this is very convenient, and this can elevate your trading game up a lot. Okay, so it's good for Sol, it's good for BNB, it's good for Ethereum. So you just get your wallets, transfer the funds, and what's the best? 35% cashback. So anything you trade, they take a fee, they actually give it back to you. 35% of that they give you, and you can claim it in USDC to your Solana wallet. So I wouldn't wait. If I were you, I would register today. Just check it for yourself. There are wild functionalities as well for Solana trenches function, where you see the latest, the news, the soon, and migrated tokens. So then you can easily find out, you can filter it and make it convenient to you. So easy wins on Solana, always good volume. I wouldn't fade this one. And it has been acquired by Pump Fund, so one of the biggest projects in the world with big market caps with Alon. So yeah, you'll find the link below, and you will get some bonus discount as well on fees with my link. So that's the alpha for today, and I'll see you soon next time.